Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely delete a world in Minecraft. First, understand that this action is permanent, so always be absolutely certain you want to remove a world before proceeding. There is no undo button, and once deleted, your progress, builds, and items are gone forever. We will guide you through each crucial step to ensure you only delete the world you intend to. To begin, open your Minecraft game as you normally would, whether you are on a computer, console, or mobile device. Once the game has fully loaded and you are viewing the main menu, find and click on the single-player button. This will then present you with a comprehensive list of all the individual Minecraft worlds you have created and saved. Now, very carefully, scroll through the list of your saved worlds until you find the exact one you want to remove. Take your time here to ensure you select the correct world. Once you have located it, hover your mouse over that particular world entry. You will then see an edit button, often represented by a pencil icon or a small trash can, appear next to its name. Click on the edit button or the trash can icon next to the world you wish to delete. This will open a new menu for that specific world, providing several options. Here, you must locate and click the delete button. It often has a warning color, like red. A final confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are absolutely sure you want to delete this world permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.